Hello, welcome to TechSutra. Has your gaming PC started running slow? Is gaming or editing not going as expected? Are you experiencing low FPS? Is your system overheating and reducing performance? If you are facing these issues, the solution is right here in this video. Today, we have brought a very useful video where you will learn how to fully service your gaming or editing CPU and make it like new again. Will service both the CPU and GPU and show you live how much performance boost you can get. Please watch the video completely without skipping. Let's begin. First, we open the PC casing and inspect the internal condition. We can see a lot of dust has accumulated, which greatly affects the cooling of the processor and graphics card. There is also a lot of microdust on the graphics card. Such debris reduces GPU performance and increases the temperature. Now, we will disassemble all parts of the CPU and place them safely in a basket. Then, each part is cleaned using a brush and a pressure air blade. Especially the motherboard should be cleaned carefully using an air blower. Next, we use an alcohol-based cleaning chemical and microfiber cloth to make all the parts shine. Now begins the servicing of the graphics card. Graphic cards are not only sensitive but also one of the most expensive parts, so extra caution is needed. We separate the fan and heatsink, remove the old dried thermal paste, and apply a new high-quality premium thermal paste. The fan and heat sinking of the graphics card are also deep cleaned and reassembled. After cleaning both the inside and outside of the casing, we reassemble all the parts properly just like before. Be extremely careful during the cleaning process because any damage during servicing won't be covered under warranty. In such cases, the technician is fully responsible. Now we have reassembled everything and powered on the PC. Look how fresh it looks. The temperature of the CPU and GPU is now normal. Congratulations, your PC is now ready to perform at full capacity. If your PC is very old, just servicing might not make a big difference. If you need upgrade suggestions, feel free to comment or message on our social media. We provide free consultation. Thank you so much for watching the full video today. We hope you found the problems and solutions for your gaming PC helpful. Our goal is to help you understand technical knowledge and solve issues. If you're facing similar problems or want to learn something new, please leave a comment. We value your questions, suggestions, and feedback, and we'll try to include them in upcoming videos. If you like the video, please like, share it with friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, TechSutra. Your support and encouragement mean everything to us. See you again in another informative and useful video. Until then, stay safe, keep learning, and keep repairing. Thank you.